All right, people, it just rained again. I'm Alex Aquarius. Let's see what happened. It's back. Hey, guys. I'm filming an upload for my YouTube channel, if you don't mind.
Hurricane Harvey!
Hurricane, tell me what happened, guys.
It's flooded a little bit right now.
It's back.
We're pretty much lucky, though.
I mean, it's still gonna keep raining, though.
It was deeper last night, right?
Yeah, we watched. It was all the way up to the edge right here.
You can actually see the sidewalk tonight. That doesn't show up
Yeah.
in my camera. Last night it was
like,
over there where you're standing. It was up to that tree.
We walked across the street last night, and
it was waist high,
it was
wasn't it?
waist deep, yeah.
Look at that. It's halfway into the parking lot, but not reached the pumps yet. Huh? And it just rained, what, 40 minutes?
Something like that, yeah.
That's about it.
30 minutes.
I was going to come out and check and say, I wonder if that flooded anything. And I couldn't see the median. I thought, holy crap.
Lights are out over there.
I saw it filling up.
If you would have come out 5 minutes earlier, you would have watched some dudes walking across the street.
How deep was it on them?
They were at the edge of the crosswalk, is below, right below the knee.
Just below the knee, over there in the crosswalk?
Yeah. I don't know, I'm short, so.
I stood out here last night. You know, it's knee high at the retaining wall here, but if I would have gone off the curb, that's another 10 inches or so.
Yeah.
And my shorts were already getting wet and wicking up the water, and I thought, no, I'm not going to step off the curb.
Don't want to walk out in that water either. It's dirty.
It's dirty water, too.
You
Yeah.
don't want
You're getting sewer overflowage. What else is in there? You know,
chemicals, any gas.
the gasoline out of those.
Well, gas, like any places that got flooded that had cleaning materials or anything like that. that
Fire
go in the
ants
water.
build walls and will travel in groups
Ants?
and attack you if they find you.
Those things are crazy.
Yeah.
When I was a teenager, I lived in Cypress. You know where Cypress Creek is?
Yeah, north.
Up north, and it flooded. Me and my friend, we got this inflatable raft, and we thought, two-man raft. Let's go tubing. We had all these snakes and spiders and ants jumping in our raft to go tubing with us. It wasn't fun throwing snakes out of the raft.
Yeah, that's scary.
Every time we'd hit a tree, all the animals were hiding in the trees because they'd climb out of there wherever they lived.
Oh, yeah.
They were up in the trees, and we'd run into a tree, and the tree would shake and everything would go dump snakes and spiders and everything.
We've got
in
our
our lap.
giant possum, our neighborhood possum around here somewhere, I'm sure, in a tree. The giant possum
The
that
giant-
lives off of our dumpster.
What about the cats that live there under the porch?
Well, we only found the one, and I haven't seen it since that day, so
No.
I'm assuming they got rescued or...
Was it okay? Was it a little kitten? Was it sick?
It was a little kitten, and a big cat ended up coming to my back porch that night,
Yeah.
and I thought it was the mom. It was not the mom. So I let it out on the front porch, hoping that the mom would take it back, and they like hissed at each other, and I couldn't get the little cat back. after
Oh,
that.
no.
I know.
She didn't take it anywhere. It just disappeared.
Well, the big cat ran off, and then the little cat ran off a different direction, so I don't really know the outcome of that.
Well, at least they quit meowing.
Yeah, exactly.
This is unbelievable. 2 nights in a row, this street is completely covered in water.
Dude, it's gonna get worse.
And it's going to keep going, isn't it?
It's supposed to keep raining tonight. Like,
I'm walking inside real quick, okay?
yeah.
What did you read?
I don't know.
Or what did you say? How many? What's it say on the weather? I haven't even looked at where the bands are or the hurricane.
The Reddit thread,
I have.
/Houston,
Yeah.
and they have a mega thread that's getting all the main news reports. Here, tell 'em that. He's more than I am. He's on the higher side, so.
Yeah, that's like road over there.
Wow. Well, that's only knee high at least. That sounds pretty crazy though. It's only knee high. This is Saturn Street, you know, Boulevard, whatever this is.
That was fast to move the water to move them off the street. For the water's all it takes. 2 feet will take away a car.
Yeah, they say 2 feet will move a car
If it's-
out of
yeah,
there.
if it moves it.
Hi there.
Rain's coming right now.
Everybody's out checking out the flood. How are y'all?
Bad.
This is life in Houston. On the River Saturn. Alright, I'm Alex Aquarius. I'm going to check out. Please hit like and subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. And have a great night.